Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have seen that how the Jenkins standalone server can be set up and configured. And in continuation to that, in this video we are going to see how we can create a Jenkins pipeline for our project. So let's get started. So here we have to go to this new item for creating a new pipeline for our project. So here we'll give it a name, and here we need to select freestyle project. Basically this is what is the one of the standard requirement, and then we need to click OK for creating the pipeline. Now we need to configure this pipeline by giving different set of values to the pipeline so that the pipeline works properly as per our project requirements. So these are the different sections one by one where we can fill in the required data basically with that. So this is the Git repository from where we are going to map the pipeline, and where it is going to follow the code basically that has been kept for the pipeline to trigger and get it executed successfully. So here we have to place the GitHub repository URL we are giving here, and basically after that this is what, like, the branch, it's a public repository actually, this one. So if you see, this is from the master branch, this from the GitHub repository. So that's why this master is given here. In some cases it is main, then you have to specify main here, but in our case this is the master branch actually, where we have to, and that's why we have specified master here. uh, Another basically important thing what we have to do is, like, I mean, few more configurations we can just set up here. Maybe probably these things we can make here to have a little more flexibility for the configurations. And this is another configuration where we can give for having the workspace build freshly basically when we trigger the build. So this is about the pipeline. Let me show you, like, before that, like what exactly uh, we have configured as a part of the tools actually. So tools, here actually we have configured git, the thing which we have installed on our machine. So git path we have to give, and also along with that we have to configure the maven basically. So maven tool is also configured here as a part of the Jenkins tools configuration. So these are the important things, prerequisite, which we have to specify for the build to work properly. So now let's get back to the pipeline which we have created. So let's go to configure. So in the configure section, basically one more thing which we have to add is the build steps basically. So build steps, here we have to specify the maven target. So this was the maven configuration which we previously saw, in the tool section of the Jenkins server. So here we have to specify the Maven goals basically related with this. So now this is all configured, and let's save it. So now let's build this pipeline. This is where we can see the console output. So it is building the project one by one, and downloading all the Maven repos, and this is what we got the build successful basically. So in this way we can configure the build pipeline for the Maven projects for any particular pipeline which we have to set up and configure on the Jenkins server.